How to download the Temu app on PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download the Temu app on PC. Start by opening Google Chrome and searching for Temu download for PC, Windows 10. Next, click on the link that says download Temu Android on PC. You'll be redirected to the Google Play Store page for Temu. Click on Get it on Google Play and then select Download. Once the download is complete, you can install the Temu app. Make sure to check that the app is compatible with your device before proceeding. While on the Google Play Store page, you can also check out the reviews of the Temu app to get an idea of its performance and user satisfaction. If you prefer, you can also explore other websites where you can download the Temu app for your PC. Simply go back to your search results and look for alternative download sources. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.